So today I am discussing a project about booking movie tickets by Python using classes. So here is the code and I will execute one by one. So first of all, the init I have created a class book ticket, okay, and I have called it here as an movie one object book ticket. Then the first init will run. It will ask for the self rows and self sets. Let's input it. 6. It will be 6. Okay. Now after that the self dot menu runs. Okay. That is what the basically menu does is it gives you choices of show the seats, buy the ticket, statistics, show the book ticket users, means to whom's name the ticket is booked, like that. Okay. And what here it is, I have defined that self dot list as empty, as a primary, as a default empty list. Same goes to the user list, and I also given the current income as 0 and the total ticket purchase as 0. I have created an empty list here for the range of rows, that so that the list will contain like this. List will be contained like this, as comma as comma as. These are nested list actually, comma next nested list means next row will be stored here like this, as as in such a manner. Okay. So what is the main aim? The as shows that the seat is available, and if there is a B, it will show that it is a book. So I have to book the tickets and edit this as into B's, means uh, basically it will only create the whole rows, the whole matrix which fill with S, so that the next is show the seats. Let's show you what it will do. See, as I said, it will show the S if the seats are available. Okay. These are the rows, 6 rows and 6 seats in it. Okay. Let's buy a ticket. Let it be row 3 and seat number 4. Okay. The row 3 seat number 4, the cost of the seat is $10. Okay. Let's proceed by giving yes. Enter your name. Let my name gender male 22. Okay, the ticket is booked. Let's view again the show the seats. See, the third row and fourth seat, it is booked. Okay. So I want to also how the show seats works. Let's see. I have created a counter 1. Okay, and I just this print statement for these seats, these seats. Okay. So what it does, it tracks these seats, this one, for the range, and it will print this line. Okay, that's for this first line. Okay, and the second print goes here. What it does, it will print this list. Okay, it will only print this list in a for loop. However, for I in self L, print count and end this one. Okay, this is the count. I use the count for this 1, this 2, this 3, this ones. Okay, and for J in I means the list will be printed one by one. Okay, the J value printed, this value printed, then it will end with the T, the tab. This is the tab between the two seats, and it will print the next seat here. In this manner I have printed the seats, the next deletes. Okay. The next is how I bought the ticket. Okay, so I will show how I buy it. Okay, so to buy, the choice to buy, first I have to ask the enter the row of your seat. Okay, so I will take the input of the self user row where the user wants to book. Okay, in same manner that user where the user wants to sit. Okay, so I have took the input. I will check if the seat is available. How if it will available, means what? It is not going out of the bounds of the matrix. Okay, so basically what I did in available function, I just check that the user row. Okay, this user row will be get here as a is the user row is less than equals to the self row, and the user seat is less than equals to self seats. If this condition is true, then it will return true, means the seat is available. The seat is available. Okay, if the seat is available, it will come in this if part. It will come in this if part, or else it will print the seat does not exist. Okay, then now it will move on to uh, book the ticket. So it will print the row number. If I give the let you sorry 5, and let's you 5 again. Okay, so I have inputted the self dot user row. I also inputted the self dot user set. Okay, now it turns this part. The row is 5th and the seat is 5. Okay, the next part, what is the cost of the seat is? The cost of the seat is $10. How it shows that? Okay, the for the cost I have made another function here, price of ticket. What it does, print cost of seat is dollar self dot price ticket self user row. Okay, the price of a ticket is depends on which row the seat is there. uh, as there is explained in the question that if the rows are if the seats are greater than 60, the cost will be the 8 and $10. How it will work? The front half rows will have the eight, $10, and the back rows will half rows will have $8, such that. So what I did in the price of ticket, if the self dot rows into self seats is less than equal to 60, I will check if this total seats are 60 less than 60. So if they are less than 60, the price will be same for all the seats. Okay. But else, if the number of seats are greater than 60, it will distribute the price in 10 and 8. How? If a is less than equals to self dot rows mod uh, floor divide by 2. Okay, so it will give me the floor divide. So example, if 9 is divided by 2, it will give me value 4, like that. Okay, so it will for if there is less than self dot rows, it will give me self dot price equals to 10, or it will give me the price as 8. Okay, and it will return the self dot price. So I will show you afterwards how that works. $10 and $8 in second example. I will let's proceed. The price of saved the price of tickets, the saved the price gets written here, so the return value here is 10. Okay, here what we did, the 10 is written. Okay, so next the answer, this is asked, he asked, the program asks, we choose yes or no to proceed, so we will choose yes. Okay, enter your name. Let's enter. So how it works? So if self dot l equals to s. Hmm. Uh, So what it does, it will only book if the seat is S. It will not override book, na. If it is already B, it will not book again. So it will first check if the seat is S or not. Okay. So if it is S, then it will proceed. Then it will check if you are given this choice. If you are given this choice, yes or no. So if it is yes, uh, if it is yes means if it great big wire or small wire, it will accept both of it. Then it will run self.user. What is self.user? The self.user is the another function which gains the input of the user data, means his name, his gender, his age, his phone. Okay. Next, so self.user, then this self.l.user what does it does, it stores the list, this matrix list, this whole sheets list. It edits it, means after self.user the user data is collected and that sheet is generally booked. Okay, so it gets booked by replacing s with b here. Okay, so next, what it does, you have to also store the means which what was the name of the user, what his details of the user in that sheet also. So I have created another list also here. I have created another list also here. What it does, it creates an empty list with the same rows and sheets. And what it does, it will store at the same matrix number, means row and sheet number, the data of the user in the dictionary form. So in short, in this form I will show here: hash list, empty list, comma, empty list, sorry, empty dict, I'm so sorry, empty dict, then next list, comma, then next row and next list, then here empty dict, and if this seat is booked, so here will be data as like this: name, Nihar, comma, age 22, just like that example. Okay, so it will store and it will retrieve the data from this list. Okay, so print your ticket is booked. After it is done, it will print that your ticket is booked. I will show here: Bihar, gender male, age 22, phone number and one, like that. Your ticket is booked. So we are here. Your ticket is booked. So I have added a year counter for both also. It will add the current income here only. Okay, means self dot current income that I have given here 0. See, I have given the 0, and self dot number of ticket purchase will be also add one by one. Okay, if the seat has already been booked, means if it is B already, the else print will there that the seat is already booked. It will show that seat is already booked. I will show you. Let's see the seat number 5 and 5 we just booked, right? So again let's try to book it again. Okay, and see what it shows. See, enter the number of rows, enter the seat number 5. It shows proceed. It shows the seat is already booked. See, the seat is already booked, you can't book it. Okay, and if we, as I showed, if it is out of the bounds of the matrix, means the seat is not existed in this. So what will show, means as it is a 6 by 6 matrix, so if I put 7 by 7 seat. Okay, the seat doesn't exist, it shows the seat doesn't exist. Okay, like that. So next is statistics. What it shows, let's see. It shows that number of tickets we purchase are 2. The percentage of total is percentage that we book is 5%, 5.55%. The current income is 20 and the total income is to be 360. Okay, let's I will show you this cheat sheets also again, that how many they see. The two seats are booked, this seat and this seat. Okay, the number of tickets are purchased are 2, and the total price 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, and it will also show the let's see for the seat row 3, sorry 3 and seat 4. It shows that this user I have given the same data, right? I will give you another. Okay, let's exit this and run again. Okay, Python. Okay, let's try for the that $8 and $10 types. Okay, that $2 types. Okay, so let those be 9 and number of seats in each will be 8. Okay, show the seats. These are the seats, 9 rows and 8 seats in each row. Okay, let's buy the ticket by 2 names. Enter the number, enter the row of your seat. Let it be 3, 4. Yes, I want to proceed. Nihar Vaidya 22. Okay, the ticket is booked. I will also book in the last row. Okay, in the last row, so 6 from last row, 6, 4. See, here shows that row of the back seats, the cost of the seat is $8. Okay, let's proceed it. Okay, the ticket is booked. Okay, let's view the statistics. It will show $18. Okay, because one we have booked for $8 and another we have booked for $10. See, $18. The current income is $18 and the total income should be $640. Okay, now also we will choose that show the book info. So let me view for mine first. So what was my seat number? 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. It will show my data, Nihar, and for the Shirams, it is seat number 6 and 4. Okay, it will show Shriram's data. Okay, so I will show the statistics, how it works. The self dot total income equals to 0. I have given a basic default number for I in range of I in self rows. Self dot plus is self dot into this. What it does, it will add, it will check the each rows and it will add the self by this function. Okay, means example. Okay, this I will give this example for this one. Okay, what will it check? It will check that for I in range L self rows, the first row. Okay, it will work for first row. What it does, it will check the price of this row, what the price for this row works. Okay, so for it will call this function here, it will call this function here, it will return the value of something. It is 8 or it is 10, it is 10 8 something, so it will return the value. It will return, example for here it will return 10 value. Okay, but we only return only 10, right? We have to multiply it by the number of seats present in the row. Okay, so I have just multiplied the seats present in the row and it will get added in the total income. So it will iterate the all other rows also for 9 times here. Okay, for here after 4 by for 5 to 9 rows, it will work for $8 now, because as you told that if the number of seats are greater than 60, the rows get the sheets get divided into two parts. So one is this part and another is this part. Okay, so in this manner the total income gets retrieved from it. Then another gets printed is number of tickets purchased. Here I have told you that there is a counter here, number of tickets plus one. It will get added as we booked it, as we buy it. In a similar manner the current income will get added here also. So it will get printed here by self dot current income and self dot number of ticket purchased. Okay, and the total income is also get printed here. This is the statistic one. Okay, the next is show book tickets user info, the fourth option of the menu. So here it is the seat info here. So what it first asks is enter the row number, enter the seat number. You want to check if it is how it will show like this. If it is not booked, what will it show? Okay, I will show you better. Fourth, the second is not booked, so it will show the seat is empty and it is available for you to book. Okay, we will get back to the code. If safe dot available means if the seat is available, means it is not out of the bounds of the matrix, then it will run here, or else it will print the seat doesn't exist as we printed in the while buying it. Okay, here. So if the seat is existed, it will get in this loop, it will get in this if statements. It will check if self dot sl dot l dot means the seat is booked or not. Okay, if it is booked, then only it will get in the if statements, and it will store the dictionary in a variable c. Okay, it will store this dictionary, this one dictionary, in the variable c. Out of the whole range, it will out of the whole list, it will store the dictionary in this c. It is in this c, and it will print one by one the c of name, c of gender, c of age, and c of phone. Okay, in this manner it gets printed. Okay, I will show you one last time how it runs. Python main.py, number of rows 9, no, it to be 9, 7. Show the seats. These are the seats. Let's buy the ticket. Enter the row of seat 3, 4. Yes. Then let's put 40. Let's buy another ticket. 8, 3. Cost of the seat is $8. Yes. Shira. Then the ticket is booked. Show tickets. The two tickets are booked here, 3 and 4, and 8 and 3. Okay. So let's check the who is booked on gate 3. Shriram is booked. Shriram. Oh, it's a mistake. Okay. Statistics. Number of tickets purchased is 2. Percentage is this. And current income is $18. Total income is $560. And this is it. And this is the use case diagram of it. What it shows that admin has the privilege to show the seats, to view the seats, book a seat, statistics, to view the statistics, and display user details. What it asks customer is that give your details. The customer give the data of name, age, gender, and phone number to the admin. In this manner, the project is completed. I have shared the link below of the GitHub for the code. Thank you.